Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can put your iPhone in DFU mode. So all you have to do is insert the USB cable and hold volume down, power key and the home key together and keep holding them. Once the screen goes black, just leave holding the power key and that's it. There you can see the phone is now in DFU mode. So guys, this is how you can boot your iPhone in DFU mode. So to exit DFU mode, you have to repeat the same process again. You have to hold the power key, the volume down and the home button and keep holding them together. And that's it. Now the phone will start in normal mode. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.